how to fix Venmo app error OAuth2 or OAuth2 error. So to fix the Venmo app error, maybe you're having some kind of issues with it. There are a couple of ways to do so. First of all, if you're on Android, long press the Venmo app and you'll find this little option which is the I button. So simply go to that page. From here, you want to simply scroll down and look for the option called storage and then make sure to click on it. Then from the bottom, you can click on clear cache and make sure to clear the data. Now once done, you can try to uninstall and reinstall, or otherwise sometimes checking your internet connection might also help you solve the problem. So make sure your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is working just fine. And last but not the least, of course, you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store and then simply search for the Venmo app and check if the Venmo app has any sort of updates available. And if it does, then make sure to update the Venmo app to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.